My peace lily is looking pretty tattered and rough and needs some cleaning up, and also I think a repotting. So let's get to it. As you can see, this peace lily had a bloom and those blooms are spent. They're all dried out. And so we're going to get rid of these, and we also have some dead leaves at the bottom of the plant as well that are yellowish or brown and just really unattractive, not something we want to look at, and also something that can drain energy from the plant. So we're going to remove all of those really quickly with some scissors. When you're doing the removing of spent blooms or spathes from your peace lily, you want to get down as close to the base of the roots as you can. However, a lot of times the bloom originates from a leaf. Let me see if I can show you this. So it comes out right here, and I'm going to reach in with my scissors and snip that off. Okay, most of these actually just were, I was able to just pull out. Okay, now for the yellow and brown leaves. Again, if they're super dry like these, they'll just pop right out. If they're not, then you just follow down as close to the soil level as you can and snip them off. This literally takes like 5 minutes. When you are using the scissors down around the base of the plant, do be careful not to make cuts in the healthy stems. That is potentially introducing bad stuff, spreading disease or bacteria, whatever. So just make your cuts as small as possible and make sure that you're not cutting healthy tissue. Okay, a leaf like this, it has kind of a yellow halo, if you can see right there along the edge, brown tip. This leaf is probably going to continue to yellow and then brown until it's all the way gone. So you can save the plant the energy just by snipping it all off now. Or if you'd rather just try and save as much of the foliage as you'd like, you can literally just trim off the unhealthy tissue and just leave the center. That's something you can do too if you have a lot of brown tips. This does not have that really, but if you do, you can snip off those brown patches and it will extend the life of the leaves for your plants. I tend to not like stuff to look too untidy, so I'm taking this whole leaf even though it's not even all that yellow yet.
What an idiot.
I thank you for watching this video and hope that it was helpful to you. Have a great week, everyone.